Alright, this is Wandering Winder playing in veto mode. The cards that are out are Apothecary, Bridge, Envoy, Festival, Monument, Outpost, Possession, Scrying, Pool, Smugglers, Transmute, Treasury, and Workshop. That is a lot of potion cost cards. The way I see it, there's really two major options here. There's either playing as some kind of a Scrying Pool deck to get a Mega Bridge turn. There's also Apothecary into Possession. I'm actually going to veto Outpost. I assume my opponent will likely veto Possession because that often gets vetoed. And he in fact did. I'm going to go Potion and Silver. And I'm going to go for this Scrying Pool Bridge deck. Scrying Pool Bridge Festival, I should say. Now, I should probably say that I believe that it would be useful to get a single Apothecary for this deck before getting the Scrying Pools. And then lots of bridges and lots of festivals. And I believe it should be able to come together early enough. Now I'm not going to play this Apothecary here. The reason being that I don't want the Potion to miss the reshuffle, and if I would have played the Apothecary, I would have. He's already gotten a turn 6 province, but I am just going to have to keep marching on. Not much I can do about that. Scrying Pool and another festival. You know, the thing is, once you decide to go for an engine deck like this, you're pretty well committed to it. So turning back isn't that much of an option. I need the festivals more than I need anything else right now. Okay. Keep those. He can keep that. Scrying Pool. I want to discard the estate. He can keep his copper. Festival, 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 Bridge, Bridge, Bridge. Now, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get a Scrying Pool for sure. I could get 3 provinces already, but I don't think I want to. I think I want to get some more components for my engine first. And I think let's get a Smugglers, because it works well with Bridge. Also, I just wanted to have another action, mostly. Let's get a Bridge and Monument. Discard, keep. Scrying Pool and Festival. And I should be blowing up here pretty soon. Pretty soon. In my mega turn. And not yet. Go Festival. Festival. And let's already pick up an estate, just in case that'll come in handy at the end. Still haven't hit my mega turn. Let's pick up a couple of duchies, a couple of estates. Let's pick up another duchy. He's going in for duchies now, which he needs to not do, really. Let's get another Scrying Pool and Monuments. Gotta worry a little bit about 3 piles running out. Here we go. Mega turn now. I hope. It's not happening yet. And I'm starting to get a little worried, but I've got to stay the course. I have a lot of duchies. A lot of duchies. Okay, apothecary. Discard, keep. Keep. Discard, keep. Probably played this fairly well wrong. But I do have a huge lead in duchies, which really came to my aid there at the end.